Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Wait 24 hours and reflect before doing anything about an Instagram block. Take a deep breath and avoid immediate reactions. Consider why you were blocked and whether an apology is appropriate before contacting anyone. Do not create new accounts to evade a block. Respect the other person's decision and their digital boundary. Use this time to list specific actions you regret and what you would change. If emotions are high, give yourself 7 days to cool down and review your list objectively before planning next steps. After 30 days, consider one respectful message through a mutual contact or email if appropriate. Do not involve gossip or pressure. Keep any outreach to one concise message focused on apology or clarification, not demands, and limit it to a single paragraph or about 75 words. Use a mutual friend only if they agree and will not pressure the blocked person, and explain you respect the person's choice. If the mutual contact declines, accept that as a clear signal to stop further attempts at contact. If a block is permanent, accept it and do not attempt repeated contact or covert messages. Persistent attempts erode trust and may be considered harassment. Repeated attempts within 2 weeks risk escalating the situation and damaging your reputation among mutual friends and colleagues. If you feel unsafe or threatened, seek support from trusted people or professionals immediately, and document any alarming messages or behavior in case you need evidence. Focus on constructive self-improvement and healthy communication skills rather than regaining access to their account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.